Hi, Ronwin here with Guarantee RV. I'm here to show you the Heartland Torque T333. Let's go take a look inside. This Torque has a beautiful interior. NOLA is the name of the color scheme of black and gray. And it has a fantastic north-south bed orientation, which a lot of people have been asking about. It's nice and roomy, even though it has a garage. It has a pass-through bathroom into the 13-foot garage, and that's more than enough room to haul all your toys. Thanks for taking a look, and if you have any questions about this unit or any of our other inventory, give me a call at 541-954-2989.